my two adorables. Ta-da! One that is different, one that is different too. So I got two. I got two. I got two. So let's see. Should I open the series 7 or the series 10? I choose 7. So let's go. What the? Oh, never mind.
Want to scoot a little closer to me so you can be more in the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Come closer. There you go.
Trying to. What? Okay. Now let's open it. So which way again? Now,
Would you like help, please?
Yeah.
Look. What's that?
A key.
So, right there. Let's pull.
Even there's a bigger supply.
Ooh. Okay, so
Find the hidden Mickey. This is kind of tricky.
it says behind every door, bigger surprises in store.
Oh.
So this here has a secret key for you to find hidden Mickeys on.
Ooh. This is gonna be easy.
Here's your key. What does it say?
Where?
What does it say here?
Find a hidden Mickey.
Okay, use your key.
I think it's like this.
No, you gotta do it like this.
There's a hidden Mickey.
There's one hidden Mickey.
Okay.
You ready to get to it?
Yep. Okay. Just go right there. Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
Okay, let's start with this one.
Oh,
What the? I got syndrome! I got syndrome!
look, you gotta talk to the camera.
I got syndrome. I got syndrome. Syndrome.
Want me to make it bigger?
Syndrome. Yeah. Let me do the same way you do that. Okay.
Syndrome.
Whoa! Another Elsa. Double D Elsas, I think. Okay, next
Elsa.
one. Another one, I guess.
Be careful.
Another one. How about one? Oh my goodness.
I forgot his name, but I know he's from Up. I think it's like Dave or something.
Okay. Who did I got? Another Joy. Hang on a second. I lost the other Joy. So I got a new Joy.
Oh, she's glittery.
Oh, very glittery. Next up, this one.
Joy.
What? Oh my goodness, I got the teacup.
You got Chip.
One more left.
She got Chip.
Oh, it is.
Hold on, let me help you. Because you keep having them fly all out. You gotta be a little bit more gentle.
What do I got? What do I got? Please. Hold on. Get out there.
Who is that?
It's the Princess Frog.
Is that who that is? Is this Princess Tiana?
Yeah.
As a frog? It is. It's Frog Tiana. Princess Tiana in her frog form.
Well, that's only a 6.
Yep, you got 6. You found 6 hidden Mickeys, so you got 6 surprises.
Ooh, what about this one? Can I
Oh.
open this one now?
It's a double unboxing. Huh, let me help.
No, I got it.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Oh, I ripped it. Sorry, I forgot to open it.
You didn't have to rip it.
Ooh.
Let me close this back for you.
God, please, God, let me get Slinky Dog.
Cusco.
Another Cusco.
Here, let me help you.
Yeah. What's that?
I have no clue. Let's check the booklet.
Yep. Check the collector's card.
There he is. Captain B. McCrea.
What?
What movie is that from?
Wally.
Wally? Oh, well, duh. It says it right there.
Yeah.
Captain B. McCrea. Let's see. Let me show everybody.
Okay, let me open another one. I hope this one will be easy. I want Slinky. Oh, please be Slinky Dog. What did I got?
Oh! Now you have Tiana in her princess form.
Oh man, 2 more doors. Yeah. Hey. Oh. What's that? Well,
Is that Oliver?
it is Oliver.
That looks like Oliver.
And it is Oliver. Hang on, it is Oliver, I think.
Nope, you got Dodger.
Oh, that's Dodger.
You got Dodger. Okay, here's Dodger.
Last dog.
Hey, that's
What's
that's
that?
Little John from Robin Hood.
Oh, that is Little John. He looks very cute.
He is really cute.
That's all to know about this. I guess I will try my very best to get this little Slinky Dog.
All right.
Bye. Thanks for watching.